To add multiple columns in Google Sheets at once, follow these simple steps. First, select the column where you want to insert new columns by clicking on the column header. Next, right-click on the selected column and choose Insert Columns. In the Insert Columns dialog box, you can specify the number of columns you want to insert and choose whether you want to insert them to the left or right of the selected column. Enter the number of columns you want to add and select the direction. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to add multiple columns. Select the number of columns you want to insert. Go to the Insert menu and choose Columns. Then specify the number of columns and the direction. Another way to add multiple columns is by using the Context menu. Select the number of columns you want to insert. Right-click and choose Insert Columns. Then specify the direction. When adding multiple columns, it is essential to consider the data you already have in your sheet, as inserting columns can shift your data and affect any formulas or formatting you have applied. To avoid this, make sure to insert columns in a way that does not disrupt your existing data. Best practices for adding multiple columns include inserting columns in a logical order, using consistent naming conventions, and avoiding inserting columns in the middle of a dataset. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add multiple columns in Google Sheets at once and keep your data organized and easy to manage.